Alright guys, another video. Kind of laid out the Schluter system that we have over here that we're doing a bath and shower with, and also a floor. It's going to be a curbless shower, so I'll explain that a little bit later. Almost done. Mario's just putting in the finishing pieces in place, the waterproofing pieces. Basically, he's got 2 more strips to lay in. But just real quick, I think you're familiar with some of what we do. We have the valve seal over here. You basically seals completely around. This is a rubber boot that goes around, and the cover, the trim piece of the shower valve goes over here. So that's waterproof. You got a pipe seal over here. We got corner seals, inside corner, outside corner, strips, Kerdi, and Mario's just doing the last couple of pieces over here. So Mario just did this outside corner over here.
This is the outside corner. It's
got
the
inside corner. That's the next outside corner actually on the side. And then now he's doing the strip over here and just one more strip over there, and then it's done. If you notice, the Kerdi goes all the way around. What's the biggest problem whenever you have these little shelves in the shower, right?
Yeah.
You always see the tile wall separating from the surface, the bench top, the shelf piece, and you see all the mold and all the water is going in behind the wall. Well, you can see this system here is completely wrapped with Kerdi. That goes down to the shower pan, and then you have the strip piece over there. So everything's basically like flashing for a shower, but everything's completely bonded to the walls. And just real quick, I'll just kind of go over all this stuff real quick. Mario, you met before. So here's the components. You have outside corner, you have inside corners. That's like a 45-degree corner here. You have a 90-degree inside corners. These are the strips. Excuse me. Unique thing about the Schluter all set, you need to use that because this thin set actually has adhesive in it. Correct, Mario?
Yeah, it needs special adhesive.
Yeah, so everything has to be. You can't just use any thin set. Not just because of warranties, but because of the Schluter system, they also actually has it's a modified mortar, and it's specifically engineered for the system. So in terms of warranties, that's important. But it also has adhesive in it, so it helps everything bond together and make sure that it doesn't fail. The flange is a component of the shower pan, and basically that allows you to put a very minimal sloped shower pan over here. You have the option of doing a curve, but because we're using the Ditra system for the floor, okay, you don't have to do a curve because the whole bathroom is going to be waterproof. And this is the Schluter Ditra system. This is the uncoupling membrane, and you've seen this before. It's an uncoupling membrane. It basically isolates the foundation from the tile surface, thereby creating a very solid piece that basically prevents the tile floor from cracking, even if there's some minimal, nominal movement on the floor. It's especially good when you're on the second floor, when you have a wood subfloor and there's a lot of movement. But it's good in any particular application, especially in Houston, where you have concrete floors that and expansive place, and there's a lot of cracking that could occur in settling. All right, well that's it. Almost done. Next video, I'll show when we do the Ditra system in place.